Hello everyone, welcome to my class on Tableau. So guys, this is our first and introductory class. Here in this class, I'll talk about how we can install Tableau software. So this is your instructor Amit Kumar Singh and let's start the class. So now guys, the interface, what you can see, this is called as Tableau. And this interface, while working on these interfaces, you can work with different files, either it's a JSON file or CSV file or Excel file or PDF file, or you can work with multiple connectors. You have like 71 install connectors which you can integrate with Tableau, or you have additional 39 connectors. Now, first of all, talking about Tableau, so what basically Tableau will do, Tableau will give you kind of very well data interface which you can use for your business intelligence purpose. Now, in order to work on Tableau, we can apply the logic of Tableau to create multiple visuals representations. Okay, we have multiple visuals representation which you can create very easily. The same thing to create in Excel would consume lot of your time, but while working on Tableau, you can do it much more easier, much more faster. Okay, the convenience how you can do this homework would be much more compatible with the given environment what you have. So the application is much more interactive. Okay, so if I give you few instances of working on Tableau, like uh, 1 minute. So basically, if you are working on Tableau, if you are trying to integrate with Tableau with multiple interfaces, you will get very kind of interactive dashboard, which can be much more visual interpreting. The Tableau version, what I'm using right now is Tableau Desktop. Whenever you install it, you will get a trial period of 14 days, and once that trial period get over, you have to reinstall it. Okay, so that way if you reinstall it, that way you can reinstall. Otherwise, you have to activate your profile. Whenever if you are trying to activate your profile, then you need to pay $70 per month per user. So that way you can understand that working on Tableau desktop, although that looks very expensive, but the way it will help you in data or visual representation, it will be much more what you say, much more compatible, and no platform can compare the kind of visual appealing what Tableau gives you with your data, like with any other interfaces. So we have Power BI. So Power BI is another platform. Okay, so by working on Power BI, you can even work on data visualization. So Power BI, Tableau, both these platforms ultimately help you a lot to work on data visualization. These are the kind of examples, the kind of representations what you can create while working on Tableau. So either it's pie chart, or either it's a tree map, or either it's a packed bubble chart, or word cloud, or filled map, or if you want to draw the map of any country like India, or histogram. Okay, so everything is possible very easily while working on Tableau. So the purpose of this class is to talk about how we can do the Tableau installation. Imagine that if you are a first time user, so what you need to do, you need to go to this website called www.tableau.com slash support slash release. Just go to this link. Okay, otherwise you can pause the video, and what you can do, you can just take the link. Okay, or I'll in the comment option, if you write give me the URL, I'll send you the URL there. Here, when you do that, here you will get the latest version of Tableau here. If you click on this, you can ultimately install the Tableau. Okay, or you can view this current version. So if I click on this current version, here they are expecting you that you should download this file. If you want to see all the versions of Tableau which are available for installation purpose, you can see like in 2025 only. So far we have three versions. The latest version is released on 22nd May. So like this, in 2024 you can see these versions were released. So you can see all these possible versions. You can, whichever versions you want, if you want, you can download it. So once your trial period of 14 days get over, you can again download it like that. So whenever you click on download, imagine if I click on download, okay, so then it will ask you download the Tableau this version 2023 1.22. Before you try to download, it will expect you to give some details. Okay, just fill your details here. Okay, your email ID, whatever, you can just fill your basic details. Just your phone number, email ID, all that you can just fill. Okay, X, Y, Z, anything. The company name, whatever, you can just fill some details here. Okay. So once these details are filled, you have to give your phone number, email ID, and then create my account. So it will take, based upon your internet speed, it will take some time uh, to create your account. Since I'm recording these videos and I'm teaching this again, same kind of data, I'm filling it, and then it is saying, thank you for creating account. Follow this instruction and to download. If you already have account, sign out, sign in, and to download this version. So you can, because once you create the account, you can sign in. So I'll just, okay. So I just fill my basic details, my email ID, password. Okay, just now we created this. So you just create and then you sign in with that. Yeah. So then what you can do, you can download the Tableau, whichever version you want, you can download it. So since I already have downloaded copy, so once you will download it, okay, once like first this interface will come, then you log in with that. And then going further, when you download after filling your basic details, okay, if you, once you download, okay, then here you'll get this interface. Welcome to Tableau. I have read and accept all the license agreement. Just tick it and then install it. Just click on install. When you do that, then it will take some time for the installation, and then once it is done, then your Tableau will come in your desktop. Then you can find your Tableau would be visually appear in your desktop. So what you can do, once you find the Tableau there, you just go and click there. So once you click there, so first it will give you a pop-up message that the Tableau desktop what you're using, it is a trial period of 14 days, and then you can either activate or continue the trial. You can do that. So this much is the objective of this class. Since we are using Tableau Desktop, which is for trial period of 14 days. If you want, you can install the student version of Tableau for learning purpose. That can be done, but it have limited features of Tableau, not exactly or 100% of Tableau feature you won't get. Limited features of Tableau you will get there, but that is okay, or that is convenient instead of paying $70 every month. So the URL for that, if you want to install it, so this is the path for that. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can note it down the path. Okay, so once that is done, so you just come here, get Tableau for free. Okay, almost there. So just roll for water roll and then download the app. So if you click on download the app, so the Tableau public will start downloading in your system. Okay, so since I already have Tableau public also, so I'm not gonna download it. You can download it, and once it get downloaded, then again you will find the same thing in your desktop. So I'll show you the same thing you will find in your desktop. This is Tableau public version. Okay, now when you talk about this Tableau public version, it have limited features of Tableau, but even then for the learning purpose, you can use it very easily. Okay, like for server, if I see, you can just use you can connect with only 3 servers. Although you can integrate with Excel, JSON, Access, PDF, or CSV file. If you compare with the Tableau desktop, If I compare with the Tableau desktop here, if I compare with the Tableau desktop, you can see Tableau desktop you can connect with 71 connectors and additional 39 connectors, while if you compare with Tableau public, it has only 3 connectors. But more or less whatever I'm going to teach you in this series of videos, everything you can do very easily with the student version, so you don't need the Tableau desktop of a 14-day trial period to learn Tableau. Okay, more or less whatever we'll do in these classes, we'll integrate the Tableau with Excel, and our learning will be limited to the kind of visual appealing visualization which we can create by integrating Tableau with the Excel. Okay, when you talk about Tableau desktop, okay, so here uh, in the case of Tableau desktop, whatever the changes you make in your file, okay, everything would be reflected in your into your data visualization, because when you are using Tableau desktop, the connections are live. Okay, but when you are using Tableau public version, so there is no live connection. Whatever you do, it will be based on extract only. But even then, these things doesn't matter to us much. Okay, and whatever functionalities we will work on, whatever the charts we'll create, whatever we want to create the charts, okay, we can easily create them. Okay, and we can easily create them very easily. Either it is Tableau desktop or either it is Tableau public. And once whatever the chart is being created, we can easily save them. Okay, just go to save as, like how we do, and whenever we save it .twbx format. Okay, save in .twbx format, so that way it would be helpful for you. So I hope you have understood what all we have discussed in this class. So it's time to wind up this session. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you all in next video. Take care. Bye, everyone.